How's it going, everybody? Today is Friday. It's the end of the week. I think it's episode 5 or 6. I have to double check. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the update on the FD car. So here it is right here. I brought it outside so we get a little bit better lighting. Change the scenery from the inside of the garage. As you can see, the body looks really good. Came out real nice. I still have to pop root the wide body in, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now for sake of the video. Anyways, I got the new fuel cell in, finished up all the work I wanted with the fabrication. I got the new battery box. I changed the design of everything. Basically has these bars like I was talking about in the last video. They come up, they go down, and they go to the floor over here and welded in just a 90 degree tube, and you can kind of see it in there like that. I wanted to set it up that way so that if I do get in another wreck and the car wants to shift, that stuff there probably won't move, and hopefully this is just slide on this rail that I have here where it's sitting, so it can just slide back and forth. So hopefully I won't ruin the next fuel tank if I get in that bad of a wreck again. But this time being, as you can see, the X bar, it'd have to take a lot more of a punch this time. And then I have the bars coming up, going to the strut tower there, and you can get a little better look at this one. So pretty simple design. And then we have the jack point. Let's try to keep it real simple. And then, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't have much else to do other than putting the brace and routing my wires for the tail lights and stuff, and the fire suppression. I gotta put that back in the middle, and then I'm not gonna paint it by this weekend. What I'll do is next week, after, if everything goes right at the track, I'm gonna come back and pull it all apart and then spray it the right way. As far as the wreck went, everything worked out pretty good. I burnt a couple of big fuses. I guess maybe whenever the battery got kicked up to the side or something must have grounded out the main fuses, which didn't seem a big deal. I swapped them and powered right up, so I think I'm good there. Engine bay turned out pretty easy. I took the downpipe off and pretty much just beat it out with a hammer back to straight because it was just kinked, so that was a pretty easy fix also. And then you can see down inside there the wastegate I pulled back out with a strap latched to the frame rail of the car, and then I got in there and kind of just kicked it out with the foot, you know, just pushed it back out back where it was, and I re-welded the bracket. You can kind of see right here. Anyway, so that fixed that problem. That was pretty much the only thing up inside the engine bay that went wrong. I'm pretty much good to go there, I think. One of the last things to do on the car is I have to trim the inner fender well here. They give you I'll try to get a look at it so you can see a lot of access. This has to be trimmed all the way back to this lip so that my tires can clear. So pretty much that's it there. And then put the trunk rubber back on, and then I'll have to put some aero latches back on it. But the body lines are real good on this. They fit up real nice, pretty much back where it was for stock. I'm gonna seal all the shitty welds up and clean that up later on next week, and then also reseal the window. This is just sitting in there. I'm gonna pull it back out and fix it. So anyways, that concludes this episode. I just want to give you guys an update. I'm gonna do some videos when I'm at the track, and hopefully you guys follow along there, and I'll have Val probably ride with me, and she'll just like hold the camera and do some shots of the car drifting. Hopefully, you know, they'll look good. Everything will work out at the track, hopefully. So that's pretty much it there. The black car, I'll just do a little update on it. I was able to get the body kit fitted back up. This isn't the kit I'm gonna be using. It's just my Inch and G, but I wanted to get it to where I could actually drive it around and it looked good. And then I also put the straight pipes back on. I had the 5 Ziegler exhaust and it just wasn't really cutting it. It was too quiet. Anyways, that concludes this episode. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Thanks, and tune in next time.